Yes, I broke the seals off earlier before the video. Anyway, let's just remove the sticker off because I don't want to expose my IMEI number. Okay, let's peel off the screen. Okay, this is the S26 Ultra. Okay, so this has an anti-reflective screen, which has been well known on the other models like the S25 Ultra and S24 Ultra. How's the camera bump? The camera bump it's definitely a little thick. Let's test it. Let's test it. Holy camera bump. Not bad though. Or I mean, it is insane, but yeah, that's what it is. But let's turn on this S26 Ultra. Taking a while. Does it have no charge? It does have charge. Okay, that took like 5 to 10 seconds for it to turn on. Anyway, let's just wait for this thing to boot up. Oh, and also, why don't we remove this cardboard? Okay, so here it is. We're on the welcome screen. Let's just set it up, shall we? Alright, so here we are. The phone is finally set up after all that. Let's test responsiveness. Okay, I'm using button navigation, which it's not the best option. Let's go to display. Let's go to what was it? Yeah, navigation bar. Let's go to swipe gestures. And let's see how good this is. What was that? That was not supposed to happen. Okay, this is pretty good. This is pretty smooth, actually. So that's nice. This is my first impressions with the S26 Ultra. Let's also test one thing that this phone has been heavily marketed for. Privacy display. Let's test it. Okay, first of all, let's test viewing angles without privacy display, which a lot of people have been concerned about. It's not great, but it's not really that bad either, honestly. Let's turn it on. Yeah, you can see it does dim when you turn it. Now, what happens if we set it to maximum? Okay, it became a little more, like, it's not that contrasty now, but yeah, you're not seeing anything on this angle. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now, let's test one more thing that this phone has also been hyped about. The camera, or or known as horizontal lock. Let's turn this on. Let's see what that looks like, okay? Holy moly. I started like this, and it did not change. Now, let's test its limits a little bit. This might be extreme. Let's see. Get this message out of my face. But it's not rotating. Impressive. Well, that's the first impressions with my S26 Ultra. I guess I'll use it for a week, maybe more. And maybe I'll update you guys on what I like and what I don't like about this phone. But I don't know if I'll even give an update, but let's just see. But yeah, that's what it is for the S26 Ultra, and this is my opinion about it, or my first impressions about it. Well, goodbye.